Hey guys, what is up? So, are you manually tracking and blurring faces of your kids or unwanted adults in Premiere app or CapCut? If you have any sensitive footage, kids in your videos, privacy concerns, you can fully automate face blurring for photos and videos using just a few lines of Python. Look at this, what I've done. So, we'll be using opencv. It's a completely local 100% free tool, and for that we're just gonna do pip install opencv-python. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so it will install for you. For me it already says satisfied. After that, I have a Python script already linked in the description, which does the actual work, which is faceblur.python. It uses the modules that we already installed. So CV2, NumPy, sys, and then it's just like 50 lines of code, not even 50, just 10 to 20 lines of actual code. So after that we will supply a input, which would be, I'll show you what's the input file. This was the original, and as you saw, this was the output. So you just have to run it like python faceblur.py and then supply your JPG or video. For this tutorial sake, I just use JPG, but you can also use the video, and then let's see how it turns out. So instead of using CapCut and tagging face in every second of the video, you can just input the video and it will blur the face the entire time of the video. Okay, so let me know how it works out for you. Like, share, and subscribe.